everybody. Hi, welcome. I'm so happy you are here. If you are returning, a huge thank you for the amazing support. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Zena, the brown puppy dog. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. He is on bug patrol when we are outside. So I hope you stick around and hit that subscribe and hang out with us. Today I have my very favorite lifestyle subscription box to share with you. I love my Oceanista box. This is my very favorite lifestyle subscription box because it is geared towards women who love the beach. So totally getting to your inner mermaid. Love this box so much. JJ, who is the creator, inspiration, curator, all the things, does an amazing job every season with this box, and it is a delight to open it. So I'm going to do that with you right now. This is the summer 2022 box. This particular subscription is $95 a season. However, I do of course have a code for you, so don't worry. If you choose to buy it all at once, so the entire year at once, that does drop the price down to $85 a season. All right, first of all, just a shout out to these beautiful boxes. I love the girl at the beach, the palm leaves, her bag, her hat, the whole works. All the way around has something. So this one I love. It says salty hair and sandy toes. We have hello sunshine. On the bottom, it says take me to the ocean and the bus. Just all kinds of decor on this box everywhere. All right, inside, this is what I see. The theme of this box is soak up the sun, and it has a value of more than $225. And there are 6 beach-inspired items inside here. All right. This little pamphlet will tell us all about the items that are in the box, and you can sign up for Sand Dollar rewards, and you can earn points for every dollar you spend for referring friends, cleaning up the beach, all kinds of surprises here. And then you can shop in the Oceanista boutique online. All right, let's do this. There were customizations in this box. So you could choose which ones that you wanted, and I think there were 3 customizations. 3. I like her little sticker here. It says, "Let summer begin." You like this? See? Love my Oceanista, right? All right, so first up, I see the hat. Everyone needs a summer hat, right? I love the summer hat. There were 3 choices for the summer hat: the Rena, the Vanessa, and the Kamala. So the Rena, here's the 3 pictures. I want to show you what they all look like. You got to select which one you wanted. The value of this, they retail between $24 to $29 depending on which one you choose. The Rena said, add the perfect finishing touch to your summer look with the Rena hat. It is a simple and flattering floppy sun hat with a fun hint of pink, making it easy to pair colorful summer styles. And that is the one I have that I received. Love the Rena hat. The Vanessa, this one was a bucket hat, super cute. And then they had the Kamala, which sports a classic Panama silhouette. Okay, look how cute this is. Ah, adorable, right? How cute is that? I love the little pink along the top. I love that it would totally shade you from the sun. Adorable. So cute. Has the little tie in the back. I love the little fringe. I do wear a hat whenever I'm out in the sun because my part tends to get burnt and I don't like to do that, so I'm always really good about wearing a hat. All right, Zizi, you can check out the hat. All right, next, another customization was the flip-flops. You have to have a flip-flop come summer. So I love that she includes these great wearables. There were 2 different colors to choose from. There was a light gray multi and a rose multi. I chose the rose. These are by Harry Mary. They're like soft and feel good at the bottom. They have the nice strapping that's comfortable. And what they say about them is, here's the colors. You can see the gray one there too. So these have memory foam toe, post eliminates break-in period for instant comfort, vegan leather, water-friendly strap with memory foam lining, molded arch support, and antimicrobial foam footbeds for added comfort. They float in the water, and they are boat-safe outsoles, providing extra grip with 100% rubber traction. These retail for $40. So this is all Harry Mary products are carefully crafted from premium materials. Although our footwear is built to last, it is not dishwasher, washing machine, or microwave safe. Be nice to your footwear, and it'll be nice to you, we promise. I love that. So you spot clean it if you need to clean it. All right, let's keep going, Z. This is fun. This is so fun. Next up, this is It Sounds of Summer Travel Speaker. And this is valued at $29. It says, turn up the volume on summer with our collection of beach and poolside friendly speakers. This is by Sunny Life. It includes a mini USB charge cable, can be charged up to 200 times and has playtime of 1 to 2 hours, MP3 Bluetooth wireless technology, and is perfect for traveling. Born and bred from Aussie beaches, our summer accessories aren't optional. They're essential. Every beach trip deserves a soundtrack. It says, be a hero and bring the tunes with the travel speaker. This is so cute. I love these. These are great poolside too. So cute. It's very nice and compact, so it'd be easy to pack. I'm going to show you what this looks like. It does come with a little charger. Look how small that is. Fits right in my hand. Love it. I love that. She does such a great job with these collections. They're so useful and fit so well with the season. All right. We're only halfway through. There's still more. Next up, we have Sun-Kissed Sugar Scrub. This is by Oceanista. Exfoliate, repair, and replenish. So this is retails for $28. It's our soothing organic virgin coconut oil and fine grained sugar scrub with our signature scent. Will help nourish, moisture, and soften skin. Includes kaolin clay. A gentle exfoliator helps remove dead skin cells and debris from the skin and clear pores without stripping the skin of its natural oils. The top fragrance scent notes moringa cream, salted coconut, and jasmine suntan lotion. So you use this in the shower, apply the scrub in a circular motion all over the body while concentrating on the body, and rinse off after a few minutes for maximum skin softness and hydration. All right. Then we also have Earth Arbor Calypso. This is Rejuvenating Moisture Elixir. This is retails for $44. And this helps with dry and dull skin, lack of essential vitamins and nutrients, signs of aging, and sensitive skin. Calypso brilliantly transforms the appearance of skin through elevated levels of sea berry, vitamin C, CoQ10 antioxidants, chai seeds, fatty acids, and cranberry phytosterols. Quick absorption and exotic aroma reminiscent of a flower garden after an island rainstorm. Well, that sounds quite lovely, doesn't it? So I can't wait to try that. And we have one more. This was another selection, customization. This is called the Dee Dee and Sadie Beach Cover-Up. This one is valued, retails between $62 and $64. There were 3 different color choices. I, of course, chose the brightest. It says, create a chic beach and poolside look with the Sadie and Dee Dee cover-up. Here we go. This piece features a pink natural or tie-dye print, cinched waist, and crochet neck detail, making it the perfect addition to your relaxing day near the water. Made from cotton, this cover-up is lightweight and breathable for comfortable wear. Pair with other items from the Beach Boutique to complete your ensemble. And this fit size is extra small to extra, extra large. How pretty is that? I like this little embroidery detail, ties in the front, or you could leave it down. And then check out this orange and the little bit of the palms here. And then check out the bottom. And has the smocked cinched waist here. So pretty. That is so pretty. All right, and then you could have also gotten a, let's see, the pink or the natural, and the pinky one is a little bit paler, and then the natural, and then this is the one I received. How pretty are those? And that's everything. I love it. I love these boxes so much. Awesome, right? So you're set for the beach. You have your flip-flops. You have your cover-up. And you have your hat. You have it all. You're ready to go. And then you also have the coconut oil sugar scrub, the Elixir, and don't forget, you're set with your tunes because you have your speaker. Hook your phone up and you're ready to go. Love it. All right, well, let me know what you think by commenting down below. I'll put all the information for Oceanista down below as well, not to mention also my code, which is HAPPY10, and will get you $20 off your first subscription. All right, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you loved this as much as I did. I enjoyed coming to you from outside for a change, even though it's a tad windy, but at least I got to be outside with the birds first thing this morning. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. I hope you enjoyed this box. Oceanista is my favorite. Let me know what you think. Hit that subscribe before you go. It helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. And if you already have, a huge thank you. I so appreciate the amazing support. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.